You're on Kalish tribal property. You are not in the state of Washington.
I don't know the legalities on being on reservation property.
On City of Edmonton property without permission, you shouldn't be taking police.
Okay, well, now that you've called the police, I guess I'm gonna just wait here.
As always, we go to the United States first.
Hey boneheads, guys, we're at the Lucky Eagle Casino in Rochester, Washington to see how they respect our rights about recording in public. The independent First Amendment auditor with us today. Now, I know this is on reservation property, however, I don't know the legalities on being on reservation property. If either of you guys or gals, boneheads, know if it's legal to be on reservation property or not, please let me know.
Remember, he said this for later.
This is owned by the Chehalis tribe as a reservation. Well, here's the tribal police already. Let's make them walk. I'm going to be silent if they approach. Sure. I always like being silent. A lot of times being silent, they respect it more than being a sarcastic brat. Excuse me, sir. Not talking?
Hey man, how's it going? Not talking? Nope, stopping.
Let's go and see what's happening in Edmonton, Canada.
How you doing today?
How are you?
Good, you guys open today?
We are. You're not taking, are you?
Sure I am.
Oh, okay, so on City of Edmonton property without permission, you shouldn't be taking police.
Really, what law is that?
City of Edmonton property.
Uh-huh, you mean public
without
property?
Permission, yeah.
So public property is my property. Of course you can film in public.
Okay, thank you.
Where are you going? Are you trying to refuse me service, or? Let's see what's going on.
Sir, you cannot come in.
How come? What's going on?
Sir, you're not allowed to tape here.
Says who? Can you get a supervisor or something?
There is a supervisor
Okay.
coming. Can you step away, please?
What have I done wrong? I'm just photographing in public. Why are you blocking my entrance? This is a recreation center. This is public property.
Can I have you move away, sir?
Are you familiar with the Canadian Charter of Rights?
You can make a choice. I can call EPS if you'd like, or you can step away, sir.
Well,
from
you
the
can
door.
call the police and they'll educate you that public photography is not a crime.
I've asked this gentleman to move. I've told him that we would call EPS if he doesn't want to stop. Thank you.
I still don't understand what crime have I committed? What have I done wrong? You're in my way.
There's a sign, sir, that says that you must have time booked before you're allowed to enter.
Where? Can you show me that sign?
It's right there, sir.
Come show me.
It's right there.
Okay, well, now that you've called the police, I guess I'm gonna just wait here.
Meanwhile, back in the States.
Okay. What's going on? What's your name?
Not telling you.
Alright.
What's going on?
Behind your back, we're being detained.
You recording this?
Yep. We're good.
You don't have the right to touch me.
You have ID on you?
If you broke my camera when you put hands on me, you're paying for it.
Nope.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? I'm requesting a supervisor at Thurston County.
Oh, don't worry, he's coming.
You did not have the right to put your hands on me.
Oh, I don't care.
I do care. You're breaking my civil rights.
No.
Yeah.
You're on federal regulation.
Which is federal property, right?
Right?
Which is paid for by tax dollars. My tax dollars. Which makes it public property. Yes. And this is also a public easement off of a road.
False.
Bullshit.
No, you're on casino property.
I'm on public property. I want a supervisor and I would like Thurston County.
Alright, you're a supervisor and you can't get Thurston County.
Why? I'm interested.
No, you're actually on the Stewart reservation, not on Thurston.
Which is what? Federal property, right? You get that? You just threw my camera and another shit on the ground?
Yeah, I saw it.
I don't have to on public property.
Alright guys, this officer has arrested my friend, or detained him, for supposedly being on casino property.
Alright, sir. So, you're being barred from the casino properties, so we need your ID so we can make sure it's a formal barring, so then you know that you can't come back.
Okay, what's your RS? Reasonable suspicion.
I don't have reasonable suspicion.
Then there's nothing you can do, is there? Let me know what you think in the comments. And back to Canada to see if the police have turned up yet.
That's not true. I haven't been asked to leave. No, you asked me to stop taking pictures, but it's a public building.
Hi, sir.
Hey guys, how you doing today?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. Can I get some names and reg number, please?
You will get that immediately after I get your
Sorry,
ID.
I'm gonna. First of all, I'm not gonna give you my ID.
Well, you are trespassing.
How am I trespassing on a public building?
They've asked you to leave and you have not.
This is a public building. That's like saying you can't take pictures on the sidewalk.
It's city-owned property.
That's right. What do you think the word public means?
It also allows them to make their own policies, though, internally.
No, you can't. First of all, you can't make any any policy that's against the Charter of Rights. So that's Section 2, Paragraph B, freedom of the press and freedom of other media of information and freedom of expression. This is a public building. Literally says Edmonton right there, City of Edmonton, Commonwealth, owned by the city. We pay for it. Yeah, that's right. We pay for it. That's what the word public means. It means for the general population. Can I just please get your name and reg number?
Sir, I need your ID or you will be arrested for trespassing and obstruction right now.
First of all, you
my
need to...
name is Constable Wong. My badge number is 3547.
Okay, thanks.
So I am asking you nicely for your
Sir,
ID.
Sir, you need to de-escalate immediately, please.
I'm asking you nicely.
This is a public property. I need some more information. Can I get your name and reg number?
Kramer's 4233.
Thank you. So, again, what's the problem? What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Trespassing.
How am I trespassing on public property?
On city property, and you
The
have
city
not.
property? What do you think the word public means?
So, sir, I'm not debating this with you. Either you provide me your ID, or you will be arrested for trespassing.
And back to the United States. Let's see how they're doing over there.
What's your RS? Reasonable suspicion.
I don't have reasonable suspicion.
Alright, I'm not breaking any crimes or laws out here.
Actually, right now,
Right where I'm standing, sir, with
You're
that sign.
trespassing.
See that sign right here, though, the metal sign? The state put that in. Or not the state, the county put that in.
nope,
The sticker on the back says it does.
the tribe put that in.
So the tribe owns this sign and all these signs out here?
The tribe owns all this property here.
Now, I know this is on reservation property. However, I don't know the legalities on being on reservation property.
Maybe he's going to find out the legalities now.
There's 3 different jurisdictions going through here,
Okay,
and
okay.
not one of them has accurate maps right now online. Because
It
you're on
said-
Kalish tribal property, you are not
but
in
you
the state
said
of Washington.
Federal is state-owned, tax-paid.
Yeah,
Taxes.
but it's not state paid through here.
Where I'm standing isn't?
No.
Well, that's interesting. Well, somebody's lying then.
We're gonna bar him. We're ready. You want to do whatever you want to do.
What's that now?
So this is a tribal gaming agent. So
Where I'm standing?
To identify himself. He said he doesn't
It's not public.
Okay, well, it's a mistake then.
Yep.
There's a mistake, honest mistake. We're human, we make mistakes, right guys?
yeah. So just go ahead and identify yourself to this gentleman right here, and then we'll get you out of here.
Can I have your name, sir? My name is Derek. I'm with Tribal Gaming.
Tribal gaming?
Yes.
Is there a reason why I need to ID myself? Can you just call me good citizen?
I'd like to call you by name so I know what to write on my report.
Just write down good citizen.
It's not your name.
Well, that's what I'm doing out here, being a good citizen, doing what the Constitution says.
Okay.
Well, this is a private establishment.
Okay, well, you
Like I
can tell me to leave and I'll
Are you
respectfully
going to let
leave.
me finish?
I'll
Or are you
respect-
just going to be rude?
I'm not being rude. I'm telling you I'll respectfully leave if you're asking me to leave, but you don't need my name.
I'm trespassing you from this casino, the hotel property, parking garage, and parking lot.
I wasn't on your
Okay.
property.
Doesn't matter. I'm telling you, you're not allowed to
Okay.
ever come back here.
All right.
That's what I'm telling you. You're permanently barred.
Okay.
It's forever. That's a lifetime.
All right.
Okay, if you do come back, you're criminally trespassing. We'll have to call the police again.
All right. Fair enough.
All right. Any questions?
No, I'm cool.
All right. Good.
And back to Canada for the final time. Will he give up his ID? We'll see.
Either you provide me your ID or you will be arrested for trespassing.
Okay, well, you're live on camera, man, so
That's
if you
fine.
want to
I'm
do
okay
that, you
with
can
that.
do that. But I haven't done anything wrong.
Then you are under arrest for trespassing.
Okay.
Thank you.
You don't turn that off.
Take your bag down.
Don't take that off.
Sir, the city property ends at the road up there, okay?
No, this is
You
more
are
city
free to go
property.
stand on the sidewalk and film all you want. But right now
Put this
you are-
down here.
Come to our car. He never asked me to leave before you guys got here. I was never. No, he didn't. You weren't even here. What would you know? I got 2 cameras, dude. You guys are gonna get in a lot of trouble for this.
Until I figure out who you are, which I do. Until I finish my paperwork. Until I
You guys could have, instead of escalating, you could have just asked me what was going on.
Please step on in, sir.
Yeah, you could have asked me what I was.
Sir, step on in. You're getting a trespassing ticket today. It's for $600. The court date is May 26th. Payment options are on the back. If you want to contest the ticket, go on May 26th and you can contest the ticket as well.
Good.
You have a 24-hour ban currently from the left side. Back to their property, you will be arrested again for trespassing. They will
to go back the next day after that then?
they are going to contemplate a potential further ban, a longer ban for you, but currently you are only banned for 24 hours. That's it.
Looks like I was running the whole time. That's nice. They transported me, as you can see, a couple blocks away to a parking lot. Stuck me in the back in the cage. So there you go. $600 for trespassing on public property. There's the evidence of the handcuffs that they put on me. Here's the other one. Look at that. Put the handcuffs on me. Till next time on Film Canada Press.
Get off of my car.
I'm going to sit on your bumper.
Get off of my car right now.
If you're threatening me with arrest, I'll be happy to back up.
So, alright then, I'm identifying myself as a police officer, do you believe me?
Well, be careful, man, because if you're doing that, there is actually an offence.
Don't try and threaten. If you're going to do something about it, get out and do it.